Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you use content planner calendar tool in Meta Business Suite. So guys, for that, at first from your page just go to Meta Business Suite, or the URL is business.facebook.com. Then in the left side you can see planner, click on it. Now as you can see, the planner is showing the weekly planner. You can click on this month to see the monthly planner. Now to plan any content, just click on the number. Just like if you want to plan to post any content on the 24th, click on the plus icon and you can schedule post, schedule story. You can create reel or schedule ad from here. I'm going to schedule post. And now as you can see, you can schedule for Facebook and Instagram time anytime you want. It is best to schedule your post for the time when your audience is most active, or manually select a date. You can just in the future to publish your post. I'm going to just select a date and click on save. And after that, here you can see you can click on post to, and you can select only your page and Instagram if you want. I'm going to select only this page. And after that, here you can see you can select photo, video, or you can use template from this media. You can also add text from here. And now from here you can see you can click on finish later to finish it later, or you can schedule it. If you click on schedule, you can also see the Facebook feed preview from here. Just click on schedule. You can boost your post if you want, and if you don't want to boost, click on maybe later. And as you can see in the 24th and at 10 AM the post is scheduled. You can also schedule other kind of post as well, just like clicking on here, and you can schedule story, create reel, schedule ad. So guys, that's how you can use it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.